Good morning to everyone. How was your exam in the morning?
Ma'am, it was
Ma'am, it was good.
so easy.
It was so easy.
Ma'am, I got
Yes,
29
ma'am.
out of 30.
Yes, you got 30 on 30. Very nice. Very good.
No, ma'am, 29.
You got
Ma'am, I also
29.
got
Why?
29.
Was
Good
your
morning,
last
ma'am.
Good morning. Your last answer was wrong? The 29th answer?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I was also correct.
Okay.
Ma'am, you said to click on Andaman and sorry, ma'am, the Great Indian Desert. So, ma'am, it was correct.
Yes, it was correct. Even if you have clicked on the Thar Desert, it will be correct. If you have by
Yes,
chance lost your 1 mark, don't worry. You will get 1 mark for that. Okay?
Ma'am, I have full marks.
Yes, you got full marks.
Ma'am, I also get full marks.
Ma'am, my 8th question was wrong.
What was the 8th question, Anjali?
Ma'am, Onam, Navroz and Guddi Padwa are all names of food. Ma'am, it was New Year and I was click on traditional festivals.
Okay. Never mind, it's okay.
Ma'am, today you are sitting outside your home.
Yes, I'm sitting in the balcony.
Languages. Ma'am, that's why that question gets wrong.
Which one, Adrika? I didn't get.
Ma'am, there was a question of how many languages are there in our India. So, ma'am, I have clicked on 22.
24. Yes, but the answer was
Yes, ma'am.
22 scheduled languages.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now, everybody, we are done with the exam today. We don't have to do much now. What we are going to do is, do you have chart papers at your place? Ow! Do you have chart
Yes, ma'am.
paper at your place?
I have chart paper.
How many of you have and how many of you don't have?
Ma'am, I don't have.
I'm also not having.
Okay, all right, just a minute.
Ma'am, what happened?
Had to go. Okay, now what is your question? What were you all saying?
Ma'am, I was asking that, ma'am, from Monday our zero period will be there.
Yes, from Monday we'll be having zero period. And now you have to think of something very interesting. We are going to do something very interesting in the zero periods.
How many minutes of zero period will be there?
It'll be the same, beta, of 30 minutes. Oh, sorry, 40 minutes class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am,
Ma'am,
today can you do anything else?
Yes, I was thinking of doing some activity with you, but you people are saying that you don't have chart papers. Okay, tell me if you don't have, very good, Rayansh. How many of you have? Please raise your hand and show. Just one student. Okay. Now, do one thing, children. See, today is Saturday. Now we are done with our course, right? Our SST syllabus is all over. In other sections also, 4th A and 4th C, I have been doing many chart papers. They have made many posters on various topics. So I would want you all also to do the same work. I'm going to share their pictures with you and you yourself will see how amazing work they have done. So tomorrow is a holiday and you people will get chart papers at your place. At least 5 chart papers. Okay, purchase white chart papers. Don't buy any other color. If at all any other color, sorry, if at all white is not available, then buy any other color. Otherwise, prefer to buy 5 chart papers. Now in each class, I'm going to give you one activity of what you have to draw. Okay, it is related to social studies only. We are going to practice different things. We are going to create posters and collages. Is it fine? And everybody will do this work. Why? Because this work is of 5 marks. Your classroom, this thing, discipline, how you behave in class, and your notebook work. The notebook work also includes these kind of activities, these posters and all. So everyone, each one of you has to do it because this work is total of 10 marks. If you don't obey my instructions in class, there are students who don't open their cameras. There are students who do not do the work. They are just here to give their attendance. That's all. I know which student is doing what. So this whole thing contains 10 marks. All right, in your final report card, you'll be marked for this also. 5 chart papers.
Ma'am, zero period will be taken by you.
Yes, 0 period has to be taken by class teachers. Okay, then 5 chart papers, sketch pens, black pen, and a big scale and your colors. This is what you should be having with yourself. You have your own
What you said before, ma'am, can you repeat?
chart papers, sketch pens, a big scale, and black pen.
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am,
we
I
are
have all
talking
the
about colored chart paper. But ma'am, I have white chart paper with me.
That's very nice. I prefer students.
Ma'am, I am also having.
I want students to make on white chart paper only because it looks the best. Not that.
But ma'am, I am not having black pen, so ma'am, today I will buy it.
Yes, buy a black pen so that whatever you label in your posters, whatever you write in your posters, it has to be written with a black pen. It looks very neat, tidy, and good.
Ma'am, I have all the things but except the 5 chart papers. So ma'am, I will be bringing it today.
Yes, so it's Saturday. You have a holiday tomorrow. You can easily buy it in the evening today or tomorrow when you are free. Fine. Now, for today, what are we going to do? Let's play some game. Do you have any idea of what game we can play?
Ma'am, at
Let
least.
me think.
Yes, think. Write in the chat box. Give your ideas in the chat box. Till then, I'll mark you all. I'll mark your attendance. Okay, very nice. Adrika is saying, let's play Atlas, girls versus boys. Very good. Anjali Saxena is saying,
Ma'am, I am
memory.
also saying this.
Wait, Summer, you don't have patience. I'm reading out everyone's ideas. Anjali is saying, let's play memory game. Okay. Divyanshu Dev is saying, let's play Tambola. Very nice, Divyanshu. Beta, now open your camera and tell me how we are going to play Tambola.
Ma'am, I've written my atlas now.
No, but you wrote Tambola also. How are we going to play Tambola? Yes, we can play. I'm thinking of how we can play.
No, ma'am, atlas.
Okay. Anyways, now Divyanshu Dev, Reyansh is saying ma'am quiz. Divyanshu Dev again says Atlas. Reyansh is saying riddles. Yes, riddles is a good idea. Then
No, ma'am. No.
Ridyansh is again, no, Ridyansh Saxena is saying ma'am same as Adrika. Okay, Atlas girls versus boys. Pratishta is also saying Atlas girls versus boys. And no ma'am. Mehul is saying no ma'am. No to what beta? No to all these games? Mehul, specify what you are saying. Then Anjali Saxena is saying memory or riddles.
Ma'am, I am with Anjali.
Yes, Mehul,
Ma'am, I am with Anjali.
you are with Anjali. So what is Anjali Saxena saying? Memory or riddles? So we have so many votes for memory and riddles and so many votes for Atlas. 1, 2, 3. Or we have same votes. Now today we have to do one thing. What we are going to do? Okay, Adrika, if we play Atlas, how are we going to play Atlas? How will we
Ma'am,
decide the winner?
ma'am, if girls will tell without passing the word, and ma'am, if boys will tell without passing the word, so ma'am, boys will win or ma'am, girls will win.
No, Atlas is a game where you have to locate a picture. Oh, sorry, locate a place, right? In a picture. How do you play
No,
Atlas?
ma'am.
How do you
Ma'am,
play?
we have to tell the name of states, ma'am. If, ma'am, in the end of Atlas is it's come as so, ma'am. If I said the state like Shahjahanpur, so, ma'am, any girls from any girls team, any girl will speak from the word R.
Like that.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now I have thought of a very good game. It is going to help you in future also. Suddenly it came into my mind. Now what the game is, I am going to name some important, some big towns or cities. Okay, and you have to tell me in which state this town lies. It is a game related to social studies also. Fine?
No, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no. Yes, yes, Anjali.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me Google some big towns and all. Now this game, okay, this game is girls versus boys. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But how will I come to know?
Google the picture.
How will I come to know who answered first? So for this, I need your cooperation also. I want all of you to open your cameras. This way, any game cannot be played.
Ma'am, can I tell you something?
Can I tell what?
Ma'am, if a boy cannot tell in 10 seconds, so ma'am, it will be passed to girls.
Yes. No,
And ma'am,
it's not that. No, it's not that boys' turn or girls' turn. Suppose I'm asking, where is Kota? In which state? So if it is answered by girls, the point goes to girls. If it is answered by boys, the point goes to boys. Is it fine?
So ma'am, we have to go till the 10 points.
Let's see how much time we have. Now the time is 11:46 and we have time till 12:10, right? So we have
Yes,
approximately 24 minutes for this game. So be ready.
Ma'am, you will Google the pics.
Yes, some important towns with their states.
Ma'am, can we see from Google?
So why are you playing? Let's study on Google then. Okay, anyways, those whose cameras are not on can leave the class.
Ma'am, Anjali is not opening. Bhavishya, Mehul, Devanshu Dev, Akshat Sahu, and
Ma'am, I am
Pratisha is
having
not
data
connected.
problem.
Okay, Mehul, it's
Pratisha
fine
is
with
not-
Mehul. I allow only Mehul to do this work. He can sit in the class with his camera off. Rest, anyone does not have this problem of network issue. Okay, coming on to the first one. Where is Kota? In which state is Kota?
Ma'am, Rajasthan.
Very good. So the point goes to boys team by Reyansh. Point
Boys.
earned by Reyansh. The next is, where is Bhilai? Where is Bhilai?
Bhilai, ma'am.
Bhilai, Bhilai. We have just studied.
Ma'am,
Very good. Anjali
Ma'am,
and
Chhattisgarh.
Reyansh. Anjali and Reyansh both answered at the same time. So 1 point to both the teams. Boys team is on 2 points. Girls team is on 1 point. Okay. Silvassa. Where is Silvassa?
Ma'am, Dadra and Nagar Haveli.
My God. Reyansh
Yes,
is a
ma'am,
map.
Dadra and
Reyansh
Nagar
is a
Haveli.
map in himself. He knows every place. Silvassa is the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli.
Ma'am, like this, the boy.
Yes, ma'am, it's the capital only.
Yes, and you people didn't answer. Okay, next. Where is Gandhinagar?
Ma'am, in Gujarat. Ma'am, it
Ma'am in Gujarat. Ma'am in
All
Gujarat.
right. So we have. So boys team, you should be happy that you have Mr. Map in your team. He knows every place. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, children. Just give me a minute.
But ma'am, I also answer at the same time.
You answered for Gandhinagar, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So 1 point to girls team also. The next one is, where is Karnal?
Ma'am, Punjab.
Ma'am,
Wrong.
Gujarat.
Wrong.
Haryana.
Yes. Haryana is the correct answer. Where is Karnal? Children, how can you forget? We studied 2 important places in Haryana, Karnal and Ambala. It was in your chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Where is Shimla? Where is Shimla?
Ma'am, in Himachal Pradesh. Ma'am, it is the capital.
Ma'am in Himachal Pradesh.
But Reyansh answered first. Okay. How many points with boys team? How many points, boys team? Pratyusha Singh is not connected to audio. Devyanshu Dev, why are you not putting your camera on?
Ma'am, I think girls having 3 points.
And boys, Reyansh, are you not counting your points?
Ma'am, boys team is having 3 points.
Boys team is having 3 points. He has answered so many questions. How can you be on 3
Ma'am,
points?
we are
Ma'am, boys team is
because
having
ma'am,
6 points and girls are having 3.
All right, boys team on 6 points. So girls, you need to buck up. Next, where is Gulmarg? Where is Gulmarg?
Ma'am, Jammu Kashmir.
Ma'am, Jammu Kashmir.
But Reyansh answered before you. Adrika? Jammu Kashmir is the correct answer, children. Gulmarg is in Jammu and Kashmir.
Answered at that same time.
No, beta, not at same time. Other children are also here. Tell me, did she answer at the same time or she answered
Ma'am, she
after
don't
him?
answer on the same time. Ma'am, she don't answer at the same
Yes.
time.
Beta, you answered after. No problem. Now, next, be very careful. It is a very easy one. Girls, I give you a chance. Where is Bangalore? In which state?
Ma'am, in Karnataka.
Now, see, children. Pratishtha, Adrika, Anjali, what is wrong with you? Why are you not being able to answer even the questions you have studied?
Ma'am, I was going to say.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was going to speak Karnataka, but ma'am, they have to speak.
Okay. Next one. Next is also very easy. Now, girls, please. Where is Bhopal?
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh.
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh.
Good. Now, Adrika earned this point. Very nice. Next one. Where is Gwalior?
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh.
Very good. Now, this one was answered by Summer. 1.2, boys team. Next one. Where is Indore?
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh.
Very good, Divyanshu. Very nice. Okay.
Ma'am, boys team 9 points.
Yes, 9 points. Next one is also very easy. Where is Nashik? Nasik.
Ma'am, in Pune.
Where is Nasik? Very nice. Adrika. Adrika earned, Anjali earned this point. It is in Maharashtra. Then next. Where is Aurangabad?
Ma'am, in Maharashtra.
Very nice. Now Reyansh answered first.
But ma'am, I also.
Beta Reyansh answered before you.
Ma'am,
Aurangabad is in Maharashtra. Then next we have, where is Pune?
Ma'am, Maharashtra.
Yes.
Ma'am, Maharashtra.
Two boys answered at the same time, Divyanshu Dev and Reyansh Tejpal. How many points, boys team?
Ma'am, 11. Ma'am, 11. Ma'am, 12.
Ma'am,
Good.
11 points.
Now this one is very difficult. Let's see who can answer. Imphal. Imphal.
Ma'am, Manipur.
Very good, Anjali. Very nice. Manipur is the correct answer. Where is Shillong?
Meghalaya.
Very good, Divyanshu.
Ma'am, Meghalaya.
Very good. It was answered by Divyanshu. Shillong is in. No, it was given by Divyanshu first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then the next one. Where is Kohima? In which state is Kohima?
Ma'am, Nagaland.
Ma'am, Mizoram.
Ma'am, Nagaland.
Ma'am, Mizoram.
Summer's answer is correct. It is in Nagaland. It is not in Mizoram.
But ma'am, I also said.
You said Mizoram, beta. Mizoram is not the correct
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. Ma'am, Adrika said Mizoram.
Right? Then,
Yes, ma'am.
in which state is Bhubaneswar? Very easy.
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, Odisha.
Very good, Adrika.
Ma'am, Odisha's capital is.
Very nice. Very nice. How many points, girls team?
Ma'am, 7.
And how many points, boys?
Ma'am, 13. Ma'am, 13.
Now, 13. Don't put your camera off, Summer. And Ridyansh and Divyanshu. Divyanshu, what is wrong today? Why can't you put your camera on? Open your camera, Divyanshu. Yes. Ridyansh Saxena.
Ma'am, my
Mohammed
camera is
Imad.
down sometimes.
Mohammed Imad. Put your camera on.
Ma'am, boys are. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, boys are leading.
Very good. Okay. Now let's see. It's just based on general knowledge. If you have this knowledge or not, I don't know. Not necessarily. It's a very small place named Hoshiarpur. Where is it?
Ma'am, in Punjab. Ma'am, in Punjab.
Very nice, Reyansh. You are too good with places, huh? Okay. Another place, let me see if you know. Where is Bharatpur? Does anyone know?
Ma'am, Punjab.
No.
Ma'am, Rajasthan. Ma'am, Rajasthan.
Yes.
Ma'am, Rajasthan.
No, Anjali
Ma'am,
answered first. It's in Rajasthan. Bharatpur is very
Ma'am, I answered.
No, you didn't answer. Bharatpur is very famous for a bird sanctuary. There's a very big bird sanctuary in Bharatpur. Okay, where is this place? Let me see how many of you can answer. Ajmer.
Ma'am, Rajasthan.
Very good, Adrika Johari. Very nice. How many points now? How many points, Adrika?
Ma'am, 9 or 10.
Ma'am, 10 points.
Very good. Now, one of you take this charge of counting your points, okay?
Ma'am, I am counting.
All right. Where is this place called Gangtok?
Ma'am, in Sikkim.
Very good, Reyansh. Very nice. Okay. Now, this place, I'm sure you have heard. Now, let's see who can answer. Where is Coimbatore? Have you heard of Coimbatore?
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Very good, Adrika. Where are you seeing the answers from, huh? Adrika, look up. I can only see your forehead. You knew about Coimbatore? All right. Where is Agartala? Where is Agartala?
Ma'am, in Tripura. Ma'am, Agartala, Tripura.
Now, very good. Reyansh answered it. Next, where is, now this one is very easy. Let's see who can answer. Where is this place? It's a very small place. Hathras. In which state is it?
Ma'am, UP.
Yes, very nice. Very good. Hathras is in
Ma'am,
UP.
it is a lake.
No, it's a small place. All right. Where is Muzaffarnagar?
Ma'am, UP.
Very good, Divyanshu. Very nice. It's in UP.
Ma'am, I have gone to Muzaffarnagar.
Still, you didn't answer.
Yes, ma'am, but because I don't know.
Okay, you don't know that you were in UP only. You didn't know that. All right. Next, where is Haridwar?
Ma'am, Uttarakhand. Ma'am, Uttar Pradesh.
Very good,
Ma'am, Uttar
Divyanshu.
Pradesh.
No, Divyanshu's answer was correct. It's in Uttarakhand. Who lives there?
Ma'am, my Dada Dadi.
Okay, very nice. Then we have okay, where is Siliguri? You have heard of this place, Siliguri. Where is Siliguri?
Ma'am, West Bengal.
Very good, Summer. Very nice. Then after that, now I'll come to the difficult ones. I have been asking very simple ones till now. Where is Jamshedpur?
Ma'am, Jharkhand. Ma'am, Jharkhand.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Jharkhand. It's in Jharkhand. Where is Srinagar?
Ma'am, Jammu and Kashmir.
Both 1 point to both the teams. Both the teams will have 1 point each for this one. Where is Dharamshala?
Ma'am, Himachal Pradesh.
Very good, but Adrika, I have to give this point to Reyansh because he answered first. Where is Rohtak? Where is Rohtak?
Ma'am, Haryana or Punjab.
It's in Haryana.
Ma'am,
So, ma'am, my answer was correct.
Yes, it was correct. Where is Chandigarh?
Ma'am, Haryana.
Very good, very good.
Haryana.
The point goes to Adrika. Okay, where is Rajkot? Anybody knows where is Rajkot?
Ma'am, Punjab. Ma'am, Delhi.
Ma'am, Gujarat.
Yes.
Ma'am, Gujarat.
Anjali and Rayansh answered at the same time. Both the teams 1 point each. Children, is the game interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
But ma'am, tough also.
Yes, but it's increasing your knowledge also. Okay, where is Raipur?
Ma'am, Jharkhand.
Ma'am, Jharkhand.
Ma'am, Jharkhand. Ma'am, Jaipur.
Ma'am, Chandigarh. Ma'am, Chandigarh. Ma'am, Chhattisgarh.
Yes, Chhattisgarh is the correct answer. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. What is wrong with you all? We studied in the peninsular states. Where is Patna?
Ma'am, Bihar.
Ma'am, Bihar.
Very nice. Girls answered it first, no? Now I think girls team and boys team are on equal points. More or less, you have same points. Who is
No, ma'am,
counting?
boys is more. Ma'am, boys are having more.
Who is counting points? Who is calculating the
Ma'am,
score?
I. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I don't know who is counting points for girls.
I told it to
ma'am, I
Pratishtha.
am counting from boys.
Pratishtha, how many points are there for girls on girls team?
Ma'am, for girls, there are 16, and ma'am, for boys, I think there are 20.
Samar, what is the score of boys team?
24.
24.
Yes, ma'am.
So many. Okay. Now next is very difficult. Where is Dibrugarh? Dibrugarh.
Ma'am, Assam.
Very nice, Anjali. How do you know? Very good. Assam. Okay. Where is Port Blair? Port Blair.
Ma'am, Lakshadweep Islands. Ma'am, Lakshadweep Islands.
Ma'am, Andaman
Yes.
Island.
Girls team 1 point. Andaman Nicobar Islands. Now girls team is on 18 points and boys team on 24. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. And Anjali was saying it will be a 10 point game. See Anjali how far we have come.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Where is this place called Madhubani? Very good. Divyanshu Dev. It's in Bihar. 25 points, boys team. Where is Diu? D-I-U. Diu.
Ma'am, Daman and Diu.
Yes. Very good, Summer. It's in Daman and Diu. Okay. Where is Panaji?
Ma'am, Goa. Ma'am, it is the capital of Goa.
Very good. Very nice. 27 points, boys.
No, ma'am.
26.
26.
Ma'am, 26.
Okay, very good. Where is Jamnagar?
Ma'am, Gujarat.
Very good. It's in Gujarat. And where is Porbandar?
Ma'am,
Gujarat.
ma'am,
Very good. It's in Gujarat. How many points, girls team?
Ma'am, 20. Ma'am,
Good.
20.
So there is a very small gap left now, which you can cover up very soon. Hurry up and tell me, where is Gurgaon? Gurugram. Who is saying UP? Please open your camera. I want to see his face. Adrika is saying UP.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I heard some
Ma'am,
other
it's
word.
Haryana.
It's Haryana, and it was answered by Reyansh. Girls team,
Yes, ma'am.
buck up. Where is Jaipur? Hurry up and tell.
Ma'am, Rajasthan.
Ma'am, Rajasthan.
Again, boys team. Again, boys team took this point. Okay, next. Where is Kullu? Kullu.
Ma'am, Uttarakhand. Ma'am, Himachal Pradesh. Ma'am, Himachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, Uttarakhand.
Ma'am, Himachal Pradesh.
Beta, Summer is answering correct. Only Summer knows the answer.
Ma'am, I am 10 already. Ma'am, because
Ma'am, Kullu Manali.
Kullu Manali. Yes. In which state is it? Himachal
Himachal
Pradesh.
Ma'am, Himachal Pradesh.
Very good.
Ma'am, I suppose we are leading.
Yes, you are leading with a very
Yes,
good
ma'am.
gap. Okay, where is this place? Mangaluru. Mangaluru.
Ma'am, Odisha?
Guess,
Ma'am,
guess.
Karnataka. Ma'am, Karnataka.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Summer is
Tamil
right.
Nadu.
Summer is right. It's Karnataka. Bangalore is also in Karnataka, and Mangaluru is also in Karnataka.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Thiruvananthapuram?
Ma'am, Kerala. It is the capital.
Yes, it is the capital of Kerala. Who answered it first?
Ma'am, Reyansh.
Yes. Reyansh. Reyansh answered it first.
Ma'am, boys won.
Yes, boys won. The time is up. Yes, children. So,
Ma'am, how
time to
many
close. Time to end the class.
31 points for boys.
Very good. Very nice. Now, next class, please be ready with your chart papers and everything. Okay, we are going to
Okay,
do
ma'am.
some craft work.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye to all of you.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.